What if I told you corporations are now rushing to buy Bitcoin faster than teenagers spend their allowance at GameStop? That's right. GameStop just dropped $512 million on Bitcoin while Ethereum surged past $2,700. Today on Crypto Pulse, I'm breaking down the corporate treasury revolution that could send crypto to unprecedented heights. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here. If you're new to the channel, we deliver actionable crypto intelligence twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today's Crypto Pulse is absolutely massive. We're seeing a fundamental shift in how corporations view digital assets. GameStop just purchased 4,710 Bitcoin, worth $512 million. Ethereum is breaking key resistance levels, and Trump Media is planning a $2.5 billion Bitcoin raise. Let's dive into what this means for your crypto investments. Let's start with a quick market overview. Bitcoin is currently trading at 107,379, slightly down 0.38% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum has broken through 2,700, up 0.59% and showing impressive strength. The overall market cap sits at $3.17 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance at 64.7%. What's particularly interesting is the sector performance we're seeing. Data and SocialFi are leading the charge with over 6.5% gains in the last 24 hours, while DeFi is up 4.18%. However, not everything is pumping. DeFi is down nearly 20%, showing that market rotation is happening in real time. Now let's talk about what's really moving the market. Corporate treasuries embracing crypto. GameStop has made a strategic move by purchasing 4,710 Bitcoin, worth approximately $512 million. This isn't just another crypto story. It's a fundamental shift in how public companies are thinking about their treasury strategies. GameStop now ranks as the 13th largest public company Bitcoin holder, funded through a $1.5 billion convertible notes offering. But here's where it gets really interesting. Trump Media immediately announced plans to raise $2.5 billion specifically to establish its own Bitcoin treasury. This suggests we're seeing the start of a competitive corporate treasury race that could bring billions in fresh capital to the crypto markets. Remember when Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy first started buying Bitcoin in 2020? That triggered the first wave of institutional adoption. What we're seeing now could be exponentially larger as companies across various industries follow this playbook. While Bitcoin captures corporate attention, Ethereum is making significant technical moves. Ethereum has broken through the critical $2,700 resistance level, with ETF inflows continuing for the 8th consecutive day. In fact, Ethereum ETFs have seen over $300 million in inflows during this period. This isn't just random price action. We have a major $2.4 billion ETH options expiry coming tomorrow that could act as a catalyst for the next leg up. If Ethereum can break $2,800, technical analysis suggests a clear path to $3,000 in the near term. Now let's talk about an emerging trend that's capturing significant mindshare: the tokenized attention economy. A project called Stay Ludio is generating massive buzz with its revolutionary model for content monetization. Unlike traditional social platforms, Stay Ludio plans to distribute 72% of trading fees to the top content creators, creating a self-reinforcing ecosystem where content directly drives token value. This initial attention offering is part of a broader trend where the social fi sector is up 6.65% in the last 24 hours, outperforming the broader market. On the regulatory front, we're seeing some potentially positive developments. The SEC has scheduled a landmark DeFi and the American Spirit Roundtable for June 9th, bringing together industry leaders, including Eric Voorhees and Rebecca Redding. Meanwhile, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority has unveiled comprehensive stablecoin regulations that focus on mandatory redemption at par value and enhanced disclosure standards. These developments suggest regulators are moving toward constructive industry dialogue rather than just enforcement actions. So what does all this mean for your crypto investments? The corporate treasury trend expanding beyond Bitcoin to Ethereum creates a powerful narrative for the entire crypto ecosystem. As public companies diversify their digital asset holdings, we could see substantial new capital flowing into the market. With tomorrow's ETH options expiry potentially acting as a catalyst and growing regulatory clarity, the conditions appear favorable for continued upward momentum. Here's something I'm curious about. As corporate treasuries now diversify into both Bitcoin and Ethereum, which do you believe offers better long-term value? Bitcoin's established narrative as digital gold, or Ethereum's utility as the foundation of DeFi and the broader crypto ecosystem? Let me know in the comments below. For those looking to position yourselves advantageously, watch Ethereum's behavior around the $2,800 resistance level after tomorrow's options expiry. Monitor for copycat announcements following GameStop's Bitcoin Treasury move, and stay alert for Stay Laudio's official launch details. If you found this Crypto Pulse update valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for twice daily intelligence that keeps you ahead of the crowd. Hit the notification bell to never miss an update. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in the next Crypto Pulse. Stay ahead of the crowd.